Word, 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 word of the day. Word of the day. My name is Beatrice Eglantine Anderson, Pamela's great-grandma. You ever hear me, read Pam Anderson's novel? Very funny. Bombinate. If you know what that is, type your definition in the comments below so you can be the smartest smarty who ever smarted smarts. The word bombinate is a verb, and it means buzz or hum. Oh, I like this one. There's a fan here. I'll show it to you, see. This is my biggest fan. I would say this fan is bombinating. Listen to how the fan bombinates here on the word of the day. The bombinating drone of the mosquitoes at dusk forced us inside. She's gone off the rails, kids. Step into the light, Caroline. Word of the day.